What's up guys, I'm James, and welcome back to the Great Gambino Watch Reviews. A few quick announcements. If you have seen my videos in the past, I have finally created this channel that is dedicated solely to watches. So, if you do like my content, please help by clicking the like and subscribe button to get this channel moving. I am hoping to make things easier for those that follow strictly for watch reviews. Also, I want to thank Chris from the Watch Lounge for sending me this piece to review here on the channel. Today we are taking a look at another version of the Orient Tri Star, model number RA-AB0032B. The Orient Tri Star is priced anywhere from $80 to $120 and is a direct competitor to some of the more affordable Seiko 5 models. This is a line of watches that pays tribute to 50 years of heritage. Real quick, I'll give you some measurements. We have a case width of 39 millimeters. Lug to lug is 46 millimeters. If you want to change out the band, it's 20 millimeters. And we have a case thickness of 11 millimeters. The glass is a flat piece of mineral crystal. There is no AR coating, but the glare is minimal. It's hard to tell from my lighting setup, but the dial has a beautiful black charcoal gray sunburst effect. At the 3 o'clock, we have a day-date window with applied markings at the 12 and 6 o'clock. Everything ties together with gold-trimmed Dauphine hour and minute hands and a combination of a red second hand adding a little pop. This piece is powered by an in-house 21-jewel F4902 self-winding automatic movement that beats at 21,600 vibrations per hour. Looking at the case, we have a fixed polished bezel and a nice brush job on the top that transitions beautifully to the high polished sides. You will also notice that the lugs curve slightly downward for a better fit on your wrist. Flipping around back, we have the Orient branding with some basic information about the piece. This is a third-party strap that was paired by Chris. It is a Vario leather with quick release. Originally, the piece would come with a stainless steel Jubilee style bracelet. But let's go ahead and take a look at the lume. A small dot of lume has been added to each hour marking, as well as an application to the hour and minute hands. It's not all that impressive, and unfortunately, the illumination on the hands does not seem to last throughout the night. Here's a side-by-side shot next to an American quarter to give you a better representation of the scale. And here is a shot on my 6.75-inch wrist. With a 39mm width and a 46mm lug to lug, I would have no problems pulling this watch off as a daily wear or to a more formal event. But let's go ahead and cut to the outdoor shot so I can show you that natural light reflection. Alright, that is going to wrap up this review of the Orient Tri Star, and if you've made it this far in the video, I want you to know how much I really do appreciate you sticking around until the end, so thank you for that, and I will see you in the next one.